Hello everyone, I'm Deborah. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And you guys, if you have been enjoying the content that I've been bringing you, please do me the honor of pressing that subscribe button below, and also remember to hit that notification bell. So what you just saw, you guys, is a Japanese cheesecake. I came across that recipe, fascinated by it, because this cheesecake only uses 3 ingredients, you guys, which is what you see in front of me. We've got the cream cheese, we've got some white chocolate, and then we've got eggs, which have already been separated. That is it. And one thing that I'll also tell you is that the recipe that I saw was an original recipe. It was not a keto low carb recipe, but I am going to ketofy it by using Lily's white chocolate that has no sugar in it. So you guys, if you want to learn how to put this together, stay with me and I will get into the recipe coming up next. Okay, to put together this Japanese cheesecake, we are going to start with melting this white chocolate. So what I'm going to do is I am going to create like a double boiler by putting some hot water in the bottom of this glass bowl and then sitting this bowl of white chocolate in it. And remember, you guys, white chocolate is very temperamental, so we're going to make sure that we keep our eye on this. And while that is doing its thing over here, we're going to get started with this cream cheese. So we're going to blend it until it's smooth and creamy, and then we are going to add the egg yolks. Okay, now this is ready. I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to go ahead and whip up these egg whites. So everyone, I just paused for a minute to pay attention to this white chocolate, because again, if you put too much heat to it, then you basically burned and scorched your chocolate. So as you can see, this is ready. So I'm going to set this aside while I whip up the egg whites to a stiff peak. And then that will also give this an opportunity to cool down a little bit so I can incorporate it into the egg and cream cheese mixture. Okay, we've got stiff peaks with these egg whites. That's not going anywhere. So it's time to put this together. Bring back my cream cheese egg mixture. And to it, we are going to add the cold white chocolate. Okay guys, so now at this point, we're going to fold in these egg whites. All right, now this is ready to go into the spring form pan. Let's set this aside. And go ahead and pour this in. go ahead and spread this out. It kind of did a good job on its own. And then this will be ready to go into a preheated 350 degree oven for 15 minutes. And then we are going to turn the oven down to 300 degrees, and then we're going to let it bake for another 15 minutes. All right, you guys, I'll see you soon. Okay, everyone, this cheesecake is out of the oven. I just need to let it cool to get to room temperature for about an hour, at which point I am going to refrigerate it to chill it for about 3 hours, and this will be ready to serve. Okay, everyone, now this is the completed Japanese cheesecake. Just took it out of the fridge, and let's go ahead and take it out of this spring frying pan, and let's see what we have. All right. And this is what it looks like. It reminds me of a tart. Absolutely beautiful. So you guys, you can go ahead and eat it like this, or you can serve it with a fruit sauce or a chocolate sauce. The sky is the limit, or you can just go ahead and serve it just like this, because that is exactly what I am about ready to do. So let's cut into it. Look at that, you guys. Ah, looks absolutely delicious. All right, everyone, it is actually the next day. It was late when I made this, and I needed to let it sit in the fridge for a few hours to chill. And you guys, the wait is over. All we have left to do is to give it a try and let everybody know just how delicious this is. Lord, I thank you. Wow. This is light, airy, and creamy, you guys. I have to tell you, when I came across this recipe, as I said earlier, I was intrigued by it because I've never heard, first of all, a Japanese cheesecake. And then, of course, I never heard of a cheesecake that had only 3 ingredients. But this is so good. You guys, it's got everything that it takes. Not only is it delicious, light, airy, it's got 3 ingredients. How simple is that? And also, I have to confess, my husband couldn't wait. He could not wait. He's not low carb, he's not keto. He tried this and he is absolutely in love with this cheesecake. You guys, give it a try and find out exactly why he is in love with this cheesecake. And now you've all found out that so am I. This is so good. Oh my gosh. Again, eat it alone. Top it with some fruit. Top it with, matter of fact, he topped his with some honey, you guys. This thing is good, okay? I am just going to go ahead and let you guys go so that you can go to your fridge, get out those 3 ingredients, make your own. Put in the comments that you did, in fact, make this. Share with everyone just how delicious it is. Give this video a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe to my channel, because that's how YouTube knows, you guys, that you are enjoying this content, and they will continue to spread it around. And remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And it is a great day. And you continue to make it your own kind of special, you guys, with delicious finds such as this 3-ingredient Japanese cheesecake. You guys, you will not regret it. Until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Enjoy, you guys, and I will see you all real soon.